Motorola unveiled the Moto X40, its new flagship smartphone. It was announced at a launch event in China, so we're not looking for a global rollout right away. Even so, it's an interesting overview of what the Motorola brand has in store for us in 2023. Here's the official unboxing video of Moto X40 from Motorola. Before we explore the phone itself, let's check out the retail box first. I cannot say for certain that the press kit in the official unboxing video will be identical to that of the users of retail. We must keep this in mind. It's really sturdy, which is great. Moto X40 review inside. Besides the phone, there's a 125 watts fast charging adapter, a Type-C cable to go along with it. Moreover, there is also a high-quality hard case where certain smartphone brands do not include it. The particular case stands out for its design, and it's a notch above almost every other case that we've seen comes free with a phone. The Moto X40 is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, supported by a 3D liquid cooling system. In addition, you get up to 512GB of internal storage. In terms of display, it features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 165 Hz faster than usual. When it comes to design features, you benefit from an elegant curved screen, a center-aligned perforated selfie camera and a rectangular rear camera module. Biometrics authentication is managed through a fingerprint sensor. As a flagship phone, you get IP68 certification and stereo speakers, along with Dolby Atmos support. A further highlight comes with the camera system of the Moto X40. It consists of a 50 megapixels primary sensor, a 50 megapixels ultrawide sensor and a 12 megapixels telephoto lens. There's a 60 megapixels camera on the front. The phone is powered by a 4600 mAh battery, which is a little smaller than we've gotten used to from the flagship Android phones so far. You should be able to charge fairly fast, though, courtesy of 125 watts wired charging, as well as 15 watts wireless charging. Moto X40 pricing starts from Chinese 3,399 yuan, about £396, but as ever, don't take that as an indication of Western pricing whenever it launches over here. I appreciate your support and would love to have you join my tech community. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment to let me know what you thought. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and other social media platforms for additional content. See you in the next video.